Hello guys, welcome back. Does Redu Sculpt actually work, or is it just another gimmick? Let's find out. Redu Sculpt is a home body sculpting device that promises to smooth skin, reduce cellulite, and tone your body. It uses three technologies: red light therapy, vacuum suction, and sculpting steel heads. You use it for 5 to 10 minutes per session on areas like your stomach, thighs, and arms. But does it deliver results? Let's see. The device combines red and near infrared light to help with collagen production and skin tone. The vacuum suction stimulates blood flow and helps with fluid drainage. The sculpting heads work on the skin surface. You apply oil to your skin, turn on the device, and it moves in circles over problem areas. It's meant to be used regularly, not just once or twice. Here's where it gets mixed. Some users report seeing changes in stretch marks after 2 weeks of daily use. Many people say their skin feels smoother and softer, but they haven't seen major fat loss. Other users followed instructions for 5 weeks and saw little to no difference in their body shape. The common theme: it may help with skin texture, but don't expect dramatic weight loss. You need to buy some special oils and gels for the first best results, which add to the cost. Some customers experience device problems like the vacuum function breaking after a month. Customer service has gotten complaints for being slow to respond. Also, this isn't a medical device, so it won't treat serious conditions. Redo Sculpt might improve your skin's appearance and texture with regular use, but if you're looking for serious fat reduction or quick fixes, this is probably not it. It works best when combined with exercise and healthy eating. If you want to learn more, check out their website. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.